We're gonna be building a garden today. I have no idea what I'm doing. We're gonna wing it. This area right here is about to be the most productive garden you've ever seen in your life. Let's get it marked off. So I think I'm gonna make it like a 40 by 60. Should be pretty manageable, maybe. I got some of that really nice weed barrier we're gonna put down, so I ain't gonna have to hoe this thing. Maybe right here. Ugh. That looks like a good starting spot. Got my tape measure. Let's get this marked off 60 feet. 60 foot right there. This may be way too big, I don't know. Let's see how far 40 feet is. All right, that's 40 foot. That's gonna work. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Be doing this with me today. 40 foot. How straight does that look? It doesn't have to be this perfect. I'm trying to get it like as symmetrical as I can. For no reason. Just to look pretty. Go 60 foot this way. It's not gonna be that big. I don't think I'm gonna have enough string. We don't need string anyways. We're just gonna eyeball it. I believe this is gonna be a good sized garden right here. Perfect. 40 by 60, we got it marked off. I'm gonna go get my lawnmower and we're gonna mow this grass down as low as we can get it. Well, I got it mowed down. I'm gonna get my little yard raker and get all this loose grass up, but I actually added probably like 10 to 15 foot onto it. So just for no reason, just because I wanted it a little bit bigger. It's probably gonna be like a 40 by 75 by the time I'm done with it. I think we're ready to till it up. Can y'all believe somebody let me borrow a tractor? Oh gosh. Let's get this sucker tilled up. Let's see if I can remember how to do this. We're in position. I think we're set and ready to go. Forward, power. We're tilling the ground up. The preacher man says it's getting the time, and the Mississippi River, she's a going dry. I'm talking about, you would think I'm a professional. Whoa. I gotta get me one of these tractors. This garden's gonna end up being pretty big. I'm talking about, we're gonna have squash, cucumbers, tomatoes, all kind of goodies. Hey, we got it tilled up. I got some cow manure I'm gonna put in it, then I'm gonna till it again, so let's go get that. I went to Lowe's and got some of this black cow manure, and I'm gonna spread it all over this and then till it up again. Nobody told me to do this. It's just intuition that I have, you know what I'm saying? Give it a quick smell. Oh yeah, it smells like poop. It's a little pungent. This is what's gonna make those tomatoes about softball size. You can smell the micronutrients. Everybody thinks I'm crazy for planting this garden. They think it's gonna be an epic fail, but I'm about to show them. There's no way that's not gonna help, okay? I know one thing, I'm gonna have to do something about these rabbits. We got rabbits everywhere around here. I have to get me a little fence. All right, I'm gonna till it one more time now. Here Here we go. You would almost think I know what I'm doing. That turned out pretty dang good, if I have to say so myself. I'm gonna put some of that weed barrier down and we should be done for today. I got some of this Vevor weed barrier. Gonna try it out. I ain't about to be out here hoeing all the time, okay? Oh yeah. This is thick stuff. I'm gonna put this like 40 foot down, and then the other end I'm gonna plant like watermelons and cantaloupe, stuff like that, so it doesn't need this. Let's get it rolled out. I got some of these landscaping pins too to hold it down. Oh yeah. Now that is gonna be nice. Some people's like, I love to be out there weeding. It's so fun. Well, that's great for you. I don't. I'm just gonna put a couple pins in it right now, then I'll come back and put about 700 in it. We just about got this thing whooped for today. Whew. Getting started is the hardest part, you know. Here's my logic behind the weed barrier, okay? Most people start a garden, then it gets overrun with weeds, and then they give up, okay? This way, I ain't gonna have to worry about it. Getting tired now. Whew. I think my calculations were a little off here. Now I just need to put all these staples in it and we'll be done. Hey, that was pretty dang good, don't it? Whew. I tell you what, it was fun, real fun. I'm having a blast. You stake this sucker down real good. Throw you some dirt back over these edges, that way the wind won't catch it. Breaking a sweat out here. There's my concrete. We got some guys pouring me some concrete today. And there it goes. So they missed my turn, so whatever. I got 200 of these pins. I'm probably gonna use every one of them. I do not want this thing to blow away. You probably think Mississippi don't have much wind, but my gosh, this year we have. I feel like I live in Oklahoma. Well, thanks for watching. This is going to be like a series. I'm going to document the whole journey here. Here in another week or so, we're going to be planting vegetables. So I'll keep you updated. We'll have all kind of projects going on. So if you have anything, tips or anything like that, just add them in the comments.